Hey, Gen X! If you're juggling your kids' college bills and your parents' medical appointments, you are not alone. I get it. Life feels like a never-ending episode of Survivor Family Edition. But in the middle of all this chaos, there are 3 big financial blind spots that could sneak up on you if you're not careful. And trust me, you do not want to get caught off guard. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Retirement savings neglect. Yeah, I know. It feels impossible to prioritize your own future when everyone else needs you right now. But check this out. Almost half of Gen X hasn't even started retirement planning. 48%. That's like flipping a coin to see if you'll be eating ramen noodles or relaxing on a beach in your golden years. If you're over 50, take a look at those 401k catch-up contributions, up to $7,500 extra a year. And if you're between 60 and 63, there are super catch-up options. The sooner you start, the better off you'll be. Blind spot number 2, a narrow view of financial products. Remember when pensions were a thing? Yeah, me neither. Now it's all about 401ks, but honestly there's way more out there. Have you heard of Roth IRAs or traditional IRAs? They can open up some serious tax advantages. Maybe consider an annuity for a steady income, or even whole life insurance that builds cash value over time. And here's a term you might not know: Life Insurance Retirement Plan, or LIRP. It's a way to use life insurance as a tax-free income stream down the line. And if you have a family history of health issues, long-term care insurance is worth a look. Don't just stick to what you know, explore your options. Alright, last but definitely not least, estate planning procrastination. Look, I get it. Talking about wills and medical directives isn't exactly cocktail party banter. But if you want to protect what you've worked for and keep the peace in your family, you need a plan. That means a will, life insurance, medical directives, power of attorney, maybe even a trust. This stuff isn't just for the super wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to make sure their family isn't left sorting out a mess. So, what's the next step? Talk to a financial advisor. Seriously. No shame in asking for help. The pros can spot blind spots you didn't even know you had. And hey, I've got a free downloadable checklist linked below to kickstart your retirement and estate planning. Don't wait until it's too late. Your future self and your family will thank you. If you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe for more straight talk money tips, and check out that free resource below. Take care of your money and it'll take care of you.